Happy Saturday, good folks. It is August 22nd, very close to my husband's birthday on Monday, and we're just kind of hanging out this weekend. In front of you, I do have a package from, ignore that grease, that is my shea butter. I literally just finished with workout, so, and then I got all nice, and then, of course, whatever. Okay, point is, these are extras from Villabeautifful. You guys know that I just discovered this lovely company, and they are planners, decorations, that kind of thing. Planner decorations and kits. I talked about them in my other video. I like the fact that you don't have to subscribe to the kit, that you can order as you go. So speaking of which, I did just order, ooh, look at these stuff. Let me stop talking. I just ordered the kit for September. So I ordered in August for September. I did miss the July for August anniversary kit, by the way. The anniversary kit is supposed to be something fierce, okay? The kits come out on the 20th of every month, and so as you know, today's the 22nd, so 2 days ago, I logged on and I got my kit. Now, I'm gonna be looking for those of you who ordered the anniversary kit and you have extras and you wanna share with me. That's what I'm gonna be looking for, okay? Stuff like this is beautiful because I could actually stuff it in my planner and use it as a background or something like that. And the pens that are on here are just from the Lord. They are so pretty. And I guess this is going to be another kit called Inspire. I'm not sure. I am not sure. Tiffany, you rock. That's the owner of Villabeautifful. Anyway, this is just a thank you card. So that's really cool. Those pens, I don't know where they're coming from, but the word Inspire is here. I'm very new to Villabeautifful, so please excuse me if I'm saying something wrong, okay? Here, I ordered a pen called Noir. You guys, I am so impressed with the pens that are coming out of Villabeautifful. I am not by nature a pen person, and when I saw these pens, what attracted me to them is the price. They're about 10 bucks, but if you start getting into limited editions and pens that people can't find, you could go upwards of 50 to 60 bucks now, and even higher. I had to have this pen because it's called Nico, N-E-K-O. You guys know that my name is Nicolasa on my channel and on most of my selling sites and things like that. And in fact, I have an LLC, I'm sorry, a DBA under that name. So I had to have the Nico pen, and I also had to have the Noir. Let me get in here because the Noir was just sleek and sexy, okay? What attracted me to the pen as well is the fact that it is gel. And so I have a lot of Gillio pens. Those pens are ballpoint. And as you know, gel and ballpoint write completely differently. So completely different. So I had to have this. So this is the Nico. All right. I thought, ooh, Nicole, right? It's more of a peach, which is fine because I have ordered a Vanderspec custom binder with the interior of Barbie Napa. I'm thinking this is going to be beautiful inside. The next thing I have, I'm going to put that there so you could see it. The next thing I have is the Noir pen, which is black on black on black on black on black, which I love. Let me get in here. You guys, like I told you before, ignore those nails. They are not getting put back on anytime soon. I'm taking a break. All right, there you go. You see those black crystals? You are lovely. And this is great for that September kit. The September kit is dedicated to like the Halloween theme. This is going right inside of my palm from Vanderspec, or I might even put it inside of my charcoal. Depends on my kit when it comes, what I'm thinking about, okay? There you go, my two pens. Again, the pens were about 10 bucks. I think one of the, neither one, okay, hold on. I'll tell you right now, because I think one of them was imperfect. Hold on one second. Yes, one of them, nope, they were not, my planner folio was the thing that was imperfect. Everything else was intact, okay? This total price here was like 44 bucks, not bad. What I have here is the enamel pen, and this one is called the, I don't know why I even said that. This enamel pen, you can put probably in your planner on something because it's got the backing right here. Okay, it's not a magnet. I did get the magnet, but that's not the magnet. This is the enamel pen, so that's supposed to be like that. There you go. It's so pretty. It is so pretty and beautiful. It's just an addition to your planner. I probably could take this out, put it through a piece of paper, or even keep it here, to be honest with you, and, you know, kind of stick that in my planner. Next, I have the backpack enamel pen. Pin, I should say pin, not pen. Pen is the thing you write with. So enamel pen. There we go. She beautiful. Yep. Villabeautifful. Love it. Love it. Look at the back. Everything's just made with care, honestly. It really is. This one, I think, is a screw. Yeah, it is. So you screw it like this, you know, on the back of that. That is so stinking pretty. That's pretty. The next thing you have is refills for both of my pens. And those are just the ink refills. Okay, whenever you buy a pen, you get the refill as well. This one has an X on it because this is imperfect. So that's what you have here. But look at this. Look at this lovely canvas that it came in. I could totally use that. I love that everything comes so nice. And this right here is called, let's see what this is. This is a folio. It's called the Mini Planner Folio. So let's get in here. I know that the zipper has an X on it from what I understand at the bottom to indicate it's imperfect. I don't see what's imperfect about it, but whatever. So this right here is like, you can put your pens, markers, whatever, and like maybe the ones that you use the most. And then like if you're traveling, you want to carry this with you. I don't know, you could put all that stuff in there. You could put all of your supplies really in there, and just have them on hand. I'm going to look up ways that I could use, and yes, it does have an X on the interior. See that? I'm going to look up ways that I could use this. And I think in the center here, you use this for pens as well. I've seen some people kind of stuff this with their planner stuff. And if they're like going to stay the night somewhere, traveling, whatever, then they have all their pen and planner stuff in one spot. I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. It's mesh here, like a mesh material. You got 2 pockets on each side and a zipper. It's really simple. And it was really decently priced. I paid, I think, $8 for this. I mean, really. So this is really cool. You could probably put your washi inside, you know, there you go. So to have everything kind of like in one spot that you use to plan. All right, folks. I am going to go keep playing with my items that I received today. And I do have the kit for September coming in. Like I said, I ordered it in August and I have it coming in September. And then I am going to be stocking BST for the buy sell trade for Villabeautifful for other items that came in the anniversary kit because I want it. And I also am after the fashionista kit as well. So here you have, look at that. I could even use that, like I said, for like whatever. It's so freaking pretty. I am going to be back with more from Villabeautifful, along with my planners that I have coming in, my customs and all that good stuff. So please stay tuned for that. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Leave me some feedback down below. And if there's something that you want to see me do, please indicate that and I'll try to do it if I have that particular binder or item. You guys rock. Have a great Saturday.